Hi, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today we're going to do the standing fox mold that I have. I brought out my Lazy Susan and we're going to go ahead and do the split cup with the Aberdeen, I think it's called, and the teal that I've got. And I'm going to put a little bit of silver in it as well. The silver I got from Walmart. It's just going to be a little bit so it don't take over. Just a couple drops. Stir it up real good so you don't have any striations in it. You want it to look good. The resin I got is from Janshun. I'll put it up in the corner there. That green is so pretty. Let me mix this other one too. It's a purple color. I just love this color. Let me mix it up real good. Whenever you're mixing the mica powder, always make sure you stir it really, really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this in different slots in this split cup. I don't want to put too much silver in there because it'll take over. Silver tends to do that, I've noticed. Let me go ahead and just pour these in. And then we'll see what we get when we pour it in the fox. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to spin it while I'm pouring it in, just to see what kind of design we can get. Now, when you do this, I should have put a little bit in the bottom there first and squeeze the ears, but I didn't. So I might have a bubble on the ear. But let's go ahead and move this off here so I can get this out of the way. Well, it's demolding day. Let's go ahead and get this out of here, see if I have any bubbles or anything. These are a little bit hard to unmold because of the ears, but it is a beautiful fox mold. I like it a lot. I got it off of Temu. There we go. Let me fix my mold. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at all those different colors blended together. And the funny thing is, I'm not even seeing that silver. Usually those powders or those silver takes over. The eyes, they look okay. I tried, but it didn't work as good as I hoped. But, well, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel. Thanks again for my subscribers. I appreciate you so much. And I will be back again next time. So you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.